We've been nominated to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. I was nominated by Leslie Dorset White.
And I was nominated by my brother Neil and by Sarah Squirrel.
About 4 days ago.
Maybe more.
This is for the ALS Challenge, and I hope that you all have contributed to a great cause already, and we will too. Lily, shh. I'm nominating the whole Africa unit at IPAS. This is, I think, our first opportunity for a good cause team building exercise. Don't be square.
And I'm nominating my neighbors.
You have to be louder.
Dan and Kate, Alexa and David,
Kathy
Phil and Jessica, Kathy and Paul, Gina and Stacy, Eric and Mika. Everyone that winds up at Boulder Park at Briar Chapel at night. Right? Ready?
You have 24 hours.